Hi, I'm Lair Hasham and this is Hash Tips. If you haven't not yet done so, hit the subscribe button so you'd never ever miss another tutorial. Today, I'm going to talk about some uncommon but very useful IntelliJ IDEA shortcuts that will definitely increase your productivity. So let's get started. I have class named user info. I have created two attributes for that. Now I'm going to create the constructor and also the getters and setters for this class. Guess what? IntelliJ IDEA has a shortcut for that called insert. If you are a Mac user, you can go for Command N. So now I need to create the constructor. So first I just want to create a default constructor which is no parameters. So I go with tab, select none, press enter, and I have a default constructor. Now I need the constructor with these two attributes called insert. Go for constructor, press shift and down arrow, enter. Now I have the constructor with the two attributes. Now I need to create the getters and setters. Again, go for alt insert, getters and setters, center. I need to create getters and setters for both these attributes, and I press shift down arrow, enter, and I have getters and setters created for this class. So now I have this user class with some attributes, the constructor and the getters and setters. So if you have noticed, so these getters and setters are like messed up, right? So I need to reformat this. So if you want to reformat a specific part of the code, you can highlight it and press Ctrl Alt L and it will reformat the code for you. So assume that you need the whole class to be reformatted. You can press Ctrl Alt Shift L and it will pop up a reformat pop-up for you, and you can go with optimize imports and rearrange the code. So I'm going with optimize imports, run it, and the whole class will be reformatted. This project is a Maven project. If you are working with a Maven project, this shortcut can be pretty handy. In this demo, I have only one module, so there can be different modules for you. Then also there can be different profiles as well. If you need to open up a POM file, pom.xml file, which is related to your module, you can click on the module and press F4 and it will jump to the source, the POM file. So that is for Maven users, and let's go to the next one. Here I'm going to call this create default user function from here. I create user search object. Then I'm going to call search dot create default user. Now it automatically suggests the required parameters for this function. Let's say I don't have that suggestion now. You can press Ctrl P and you can find the parameter info. So first one is user ID. So you don't have to go into this class and search for the method signature. So in this parameter info, I need to change this age to date of birth. So I need to change it. I need to go one by one and change this age. What can I do is click on age and press shift F6, which will give some suggestions, and also you can use your own name. Let's say date of birth. Getters and setters, I need them changed as well. Yep, and okay, everything will be changed to date of birth. Let's say this user search class, I have a lot of functions defined. I have some functions and I need to find a function that I know there is, but I cannot find it easily. So what I can do is I can press Ctrl F12 and it will give me a list of all the functions that this user search class has. And just type what I need and it will just find it, and then I press enter. navigate to the function I need. Control F12, and I need to use find user. Whatever. If I need to find a class in this module or anywhere in this project, I just press double shift. Press shift twice, and you can just search for any class in here. So I need to find the user, and I have the user. Enter, and inside user class. Okay. I need to find user handler. Press enter, and inside user class. That is double shift. Let's say I need to call this search user method inside user handler. So I can say search user, and I'm going to provide a ID as well. So IntelliJ will show that I need to surround this with trycatch, or I can add exception to my signature. Let's say I don't have that option. Can you surround this with a trycatch? What you can do is go to the end of the line and press Ctrl Alt T, and it will pop up the surround with toolbox, and you can go down to trycatch finally, and press enter, and it will add everything you need. This line of code will be inside trycatch. This value should be 10 if the value is greater than 5. So I need if else statement. You don't need to code it, you can just press Ctrl Alt T and surround this with the if else. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to navigate to the declaration or the usages. So I have this create default user where the function is declared inside the user search class. You can click on this and press Ctrl B, and you will be navigate to the declaration of that function. And inside here, if you click on the function and press Ctrl B, and you can navigate to the usages, which is just one. And also you can click on the class as well and press Ctrl B, and it will navigate to the usages. And same thing can be done using Control and click. You can open the usages in the toolbox using Alt F7. Click on the user and press on Alt F7. It will open up this tool window and show you the usages. If I need to complete this statement with an if and else, I can press Ctrl Shift Enter, and it will create brackets and the parentheses. And inside this parentheses, I'm going to say if user.get user ID. So now just don't use the arrow keys. Cursor will be relocated inside the brackets. Same thing happens for a for loop. I have this for, Control Shift Enter, everything comes up. So we'll say int I equals 0, and what do? Control Shift Enter, and you will be inside. And for the bonus shortcut, I'll give you Shift Control A, which will give a pop-up where you can search for any shortcut. So if you want to search for the shortcut for completing the statement, you can say complete. It will show you complete current statement. Control Shift Enter. So if you press enter, the shortcut will be applied, and again Control Shift A, you can search for anything. Let's say usages, and usages Alt F7. Okay guys, if you find this video useful, hit a like and share it. Until next time, have a nice day.